EHEAR E2 Bluetooth headset comes with its included accessories and a nice small package. The first thing you want to do is insert your micro SD card. Next, to assemble your EHEAR headset, insert the ear hook into the socket and you're ready to go. One of the great things we enjoy about the EHEAR Bluetooth headset is that it's easy to start recording. With just a push of a button, we can record anything, anywhere, anytime. Check out this footage when we took the EHEAR to the local gun range. Even slow motion works surprisingly well. Sometimes life's biggest moments don't wait for us to pull out our cameras. Just got home after a busy day? Press a button and record your child's first steps. With this hands-free Bluetooth headset, you can experience freedom to interact with people and not worry about capturing the perfect angles.